Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Quantum 400 has enough charge and is powered off. That prevents intermittent drops. Then press and hold the power and Bluetooth buttons together for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode. Once the LED blinks, make sure your phone or PC is in Bluetooth discovery and stays on screen. This visibility is necessary for the two devices to find each other and exchange the initial handshake. You now locate JBL Quantum 400 on your phone or computer Bluetooth list and tap Connect. This initiates the link and exchanges profiles like audio and microphone. Once you accept any permission prompts, the device negotiates supported codecs and rolls so audio and mic routing work correctly. If it takes longer than 15 seconds, cancel and retry. Sometimes stale cached scans prevent discovery. When you see the connected indicator or hear the confirmation tone, you're linked and ready to test audio. You finish by choosing JBL Quantum 400 as both output and input in your system or app audio settings. This ensures game and chat audio route correctly. Once done, test playback and mic levels, adjust volume on headset and OS. If something goes wrong, make sure Bluetooth on the source is restarted, forget the device and repair, or perform the headset reset sequence. These steps clear cached profiles and usually resolve persistent pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.